Yo, what's good world? It's your boy Twiz and welcome to Certified Banger 100 TV, your #1 channel for audio and video tips to help grow your brand. And today, I finally got in the mail something that I placed the order for a while. Due to the COVID-19, a lot of this stuff has been on like snail mail, but it's finally here. I'm excited today. This is called a gimbOWL. I believe I'm pronouncing that right. It's like owl, G-I-M, so gimbOWL. But originally a friend recommended something like this to me. It was like the Pivot or something like that. And it was a while ago that I saw it and I was like, well, you know, now I got the extra time and a little bit extra money, let me go ahead and order something like this because I shoot a lot of DIY music videos to where sometimes it's like myself or sometimes you know, just for other just different videos, just the convenience of having a moving camera. So I went ahead and saw the first ad and I got it thinking it was a Pivot, but it was actually a gimbal, and I was like, oh man, it's different, but the price is definitely reasonable for me to get, so I'm gonna unbox it for you today. So let's get cranking. So I got the black one. Let's see. A box cut online. Oh, gotta be careful. Let's get this bad boy. All right, so pretty much it comes with the instructions on here. Kind of let you know what's going on. It says install battery, unscrew the battery cover and insert 3 AA batteries. Oh no! I wish they'd tell you these things. I'll be right back. So just as a pre-warning, you want to make sure you have 3 AA batteries. So it's a good thing I just got some new batteries. So let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what we got. Let's see. All right. Being very careful with everything going on. All right, cool. So to open it, you have to take this bottom part right here and twist it. So all right, awesome, easy, it comes out. And it has your 3 batteries here in the triangle part right here. So we're gonna go ahead and throw these bad boys in here like that. All right. Alright, boom, that's in there. Let's read the second instructions. It says install mobile phone. Open the phone holder on the side of the phone into the phone holder by making phone lens face you. And adjust the phone to make it suitable. Horizontal and vertical switching. Loosening up knob, that's what this is. Sub knob to release the phone holder and rotate it horizontally. So if I turn this lets me move it horizontal. So this knob right here allows me to, once you loosen it, allows me to turn the phone whichever way that I want it, and that tightens it back up. And these pieces right here is retractable, so that way I can put my phone in here. So for just kicks and giggles, because I wondered if this was gonna work with my phone case on it, but just for right now, because I want to utilize the full function of this iPhone 8, I'm gonna put it in here like this. So let me go ahead and put that in here like this. All right, cool. And it tilts up. All right, so we did that. Let's look at the next step. power on, press long to put it on, and short press to pause. So we're gonna hold this on till it comes on. Okay, so there's a light flashing. So to download the app is pretty easy. So it seems you can just, use one of the QR codes right here, depending on what kind of model your phone is. It has an iOS, Android, and Android Google. And you can download the app that way, or you can just go to the Google store. So I'm gonna go ahead and scan this. All right, boom. All right, cool. So once you download the app, you have to make sure your Bluetooth is on. All right, and voila. Yo, so we're gonna come over here. Oh, I just dropped something. And it gives you a countdown too as it's doing. So, and it got like a countdown for you to get ready. So, all right, yeah, we're recording right now as we're moving around here, and it's following me as I'm going because it recognizes my face, which this is pretty cool to do right here. So, I just wanna make sure that you follow me on Instagram at Twizzleman56. Check out our new single, Vibe Zone, which just came out on Friday. Check out the video, Spotify, iTunes, check it all out. It's the move. All right, this is dope. And as you can see, it does an automatic countdown, which and it automatically records, which is weird, but and the cool thing about it, it has filters and stuff already in the app. Let's see what that says. You have settings. You can turn the countdown sound off, which I definitely foresee myself doing that. Which is mad annoying. And so as you can see, it's pretty simple as that. You just download the app, install your batteries into it, and you're good to go. And it follows you for whatever you do. It tracks your face, as you saw as it followed me all the way across the room. And it was only like 40 bucks, man. And you really can't beat that. For 40 bucks to get something like this is pretty cool. So get you a gimbal, man. Like, that thing is dope. So pretty easy. I know a lot of people have been complaining about they haven't been receiving the stuff in the mail and stuff like that, and getting the tracking for your stuff, which is it was kind of worrisome to see all that stuff inside of the comments and stuff like that. But you paid through PayPal, and it was able to come right away. Well, not right away, but it took a while to get to me, especially because of the COVID-19. Because they give you that up front. They say, hey, it's COVID-19, so just be aware that I did have to reach out to them one time to see when it was going to be shipped. Like, it wasn't no estimated time when they were going to ship. And then once they responded to my message, they was like, hey, allow up to 15 to 30 days after your purchase. So it was probably around about a good 2.5 weeks before I was able to get it. But I was very understandable because of COVID-19 and stuff like that was going on. But I'm overall pleased with it. I'm gonna play with it a little bit more and see how it goes. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Make sure y'all go check out my new single, Vibe Zone. You got the link down below to check out the official music video. Please stream. And if you're in the music business, man, hey, we 5 minutes of Twizdom, tips and tricks to help grow your music brand. You don't want to miss out, and get that free ebook. Come on, free, it's free, it won't hurt you. How to get all your music royalties down below in the description, man. Thank you for checking out Certified Banger 100 TV. It's your boy Twiz, and I'm out, certified.